Sensitivity and specificity.
Hi there, do you remember the crazy days when we got COVID pandemic? And at some point we went to a hospital to get a COVID test? Hospitals were using the PCR test to define COVID-19. But later we could use a home test. But do you know how well the home test performed, compared to the PCR test? Well, we can answer such a question by measuring the sensitivity and specificity of the test. Let's see how. To calculate sensitivity and specificity, we tested 120 individuals using both tests. Here the results are shown in a 2x2 table. Using PCR, 49 individuals tested positive, while testing by home test showed only 25 positives. Out of those 25 people, 21 were also positive by the PCR test. This is the number of true positives. Here, 28 people who had a negative home test but tested positive with PCR are false negatives. We can also see that 4 people were falsely diagnosed as positive by home test, they are false positives. By adding the rest of values in the table, we can see 67 people were diagnosed as negative by both tests, these are true negatives. Now let's calculate the proportion of true positives and true negatives. If we calculate these proportions in direction of reference test, then we reach to the sensitivity and specificity of the home test. We can say that the home test can correctly identify only 55% of the people who have corona, and correctly exclude 95% of the people who do not have the disease. Now, if we calculate the proportion of true values in direction of home test, we reach to predictive values. Here, positive predictive value is the probability that a positive test result is correct, and negative predictive value is the probability that a negative test result is correct. And as you see, all these values are important for understanding the reliability of a diagnostic test. Thank you for watching.